Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Outlook.com to PST. Search on Google Recovery Tools Outlook.com Backup. Click on Download. Select Outlook.com. Enter Outlook.com credential. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want convert. Click on PST. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed SavingLog will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Open destination folder for output. Converted PST file.